school days, we are only surrounded by few people around us, and the world around us seems to be the best place to live in. But when we become the parts of larger community groups filled with people of different opinions and nature, that's when we start feeling like a loser. In each and every individual's life, there are few people who are so negative that even if you have the slightest amount of conversation with them, you might get a headache for the whole day. These people always have got a rain cloud hanging over their head, no matter whatever the weather is outside. For example, if you tell them that you are going to a foreign country tomorrow boarding an aeroplane, they will tell you, hey, be careful, aeroplanes are prone to get accidents. In each and every case, they take out so much negativity from any given situation. At times, we are so influenced by them such that we are left in same position as of theirs, and we are left with negative vibes popping from our head. It is very difficult to deal with such people and the situations that they create. We might feel that we cannot do anything much about this, but there is actually a lot that you can do, and that is what we're going to discuss in today's video. It is very difficult to start something new when you have just got the thoughts inside your head and people around you are constantly doubting you. It is not true to stay away from the company of negative people if by doing so it's only for your own development and benefit, and I do feel that it's very important. Whenever such situations arises that you cannot tolerate their negative vibrations, it's better to simply leave that place and thereby separate yourself from that particular group. It's better for you and also for the negative person because they will not give all words of negativity to all the thought that arises in his head. Cutting negative people off from your life doesn't mean you hate them. It simply means that you respect yourself. Not everyone is meant to stay. When you chase your dreams, they will call you crazy because they are themselves being lazy. Avoid negative people for they are the biggest destroyers of self-esteem and self-confidence. Surround yourself with people who you know can bring out the best in you. People who try to bring you down every single day aren't important, so treat their opinions in the same way. If that negative person is a family relative, you can still have a functioning relation with them, but you need to limit the amount of influence they have over your well-being. Do not let negative or toxic people rent space in your head. Just raise the rent and simply kick them out and avoid them from your life forever. It is important to avoid arguing with a negative person because not only will this immerse into a deep imbalance, but also your positive energy will shift to negative. If that negative person thinks that he or she has won the argument, then it is beneficial for both of you because the negative person will completely shut up. When dealing with such people is unavoidable, it's essential for you to stick to lighter topics. For example, you can have a conversation about what exactly happened in yesterday's football or cricket match, instead of having conversation about various political or various fights trending on social or digital media. A simple hello or goodbye is also enough for such people, but don't get into a deep conversation with them. Don't just absorb the negative comments bombarded upon you, and especially if they are about you. It's wise to be quick to listen and slow to speak, but if you are being too quiet, it will give the negative person an impression that you are accepting whatever is being told by him. When you suspect that the conversation is turning to be negative, simply be a champion of positivity and change the subject. Of course, you have to do this without ignoring what the person said. Acknowledge their comment, but quickly move the conversation before the euphoric pleasure gained from complaining takes the lead. It's a great thing to appreciate everyone, especially a negative person, if he or she speaks something positive. Pretending that their negative behavior is okay is the easiest trap that you can allow them to fall. Point out the negative person that their constant negativity is not a good thing. We don't want to do this because it's easier for us to let someone sit in their woes and we would rather stay out of it. But if you want the best out of that person, don't give them the false impression that their negativity is normal. If someone has got a constructive criticism about your work, simply accept that and start working on the places where there is scope of development. If you feel that it's destructive, simply ignore. Just forgive and forget. But a constructive one should always be appreciated if that comes from a negative person. As a result of your appreciation, the person might speak more and more of positive and he would give up on being a negative person, because everyone loves to be appreciated and praised. And if you are taking the effort of appreciating a positive thing told by a negative person and thereby transforming a life, then there is nothing better than that. A man is known by the company he keeps. It is rightly said that we human beings are just the average of 5 people that we hang out the most with. So it's important for us to make sure that we choose our circle wisely. Never hang out alone with a negative person. Always be in a company of 3 or more such that whenever the negative person speaks something negative, a group of others are always there to correct that particular person. It is essential to keep these few factors in mind if you cannot ignore the company of negative people completely. In fact, negativity damages your health both physically and mentally, making you vulnerable to high levels of stress and cardiac diseases. There is no reason to be hurt because of someone else's bad mood. Though this may be a little tricky depending on your situation, but working to spend slightly less time with negative people can help your own spirits from slipping as well. Good times and crazy friends make the best memories. When a group of friends meet, the humor is always greater than a comedy show. Spend time with people whom you love to be with. Hang out with happy people and you will be happy for sure. Sometimes changing the subject isn't a great option if you have to deal with negative people, but that doesn't mean you can't still be positive. I know when someone is dumping complaints on you, you have got a very hard time thinking what exactly to say. The key is to measure your responses as solution based. When a negative person comes with all the problems, you can ask questions like, well, how could this be resolved, or what's the ultimate solution? Though I consider empathy as one of the greatest gifts that mankind has ever received, but this can sometimes be too dangerous. When we hear the complaints or problems of another person, we immediately start taking them as ours. This is a bad habit to get into, especially if the person is negative. To conclude, don't speak about problems but speak about solutions, and don't take the problems of others as yours. The world is full of people of different opinions and different natures. People have got different opinions on different things. We cannot go and shut every opinion from every mouth, but definitely we can work upon ourselves. Simply let go the destructive criticism and accept the constructive ones. Use the constructive ones and create a better individual out of yourself. Leave all those people behind who are simply adding negative elements into your life, and stay more with people who know to bring out the best in you. To conclude, if your eyes are positive, you will love the world. But if your tongue is positive, the world will love you. So that's all I have for this video. Stay happy, do whatever you want. May you have everything you deserve and desire. I'll see you in the next one. And then keep smiling, keep spreading smiles, and stay happy all day, every day, everywhere.